What role does PACIFIC PNG play in Nauru's 2026 renaming initiative? The surprising answer reveals a unique regional partnership that could reshape Nauru's identity on the global stage. PACIFIC PNG stands for Pacific Partnership for Island Cooperation, prominently led by Papua New Guinea. It is a dynamic regional body that promotes cultural exchange, sustainable development, and political collaboration among Pacific nations. This organization has gained increasing influence in regional affairs, acting as a bridge between smaller island states and larger global powers. Its involvement in Nauru's 2026 renaming initiative reflects its growing role as a facilitator of identity and sovereignty among Pacific islands. Nauru's 2026 renaming initiative aims to restore an indigenous name that reflects its cultural roots and national pride. This move is part of a larger global trend where countries seek to reclaim their native identities after periods of colonial naming and influence. For Nauru, the renaming is not just symbolic, but a statement of sovereignty, heritage, and future direction. It signals a turning point in how the island nation presents itself to the world. PACIFIC PNG plays a pivotal role by offering diplomatic support, helping Nauru navigate the complex international protocols involved in renaming a country. It also facilitates cultural exchanges to ensure the new name is embraced regionally and globally. Moreover, PACIFIC PNG coordinates technical and logistical resources, ensuring that the renaming is not only a national event, but a celebrated regional milestone. This partnership highlights the importance of regional solidarity in asserting Pacific Island identities. By collaborating with PACIFIC PNG, Nauru strengthens its regional ties, setting a precedent for other Pacific islands to assert their identities together. This initiative may inspire more collective actions for cultural preservation and political recognition. It also increases Pacific voices in global forums, showing that these small island nations can unite to protect and promote their shared heritage and interests. The 2026 renaming is much more than a name change. It's a statement of Pacific resilience and empowerment. Nauru's 2026 renaming initiative, supported by PACIFIC PNG, is a fascinating example of regional cooperation redefining identity and sovereignty. This partnership reflects the power of Pacific Island nations standing together for cultural pride and global influence. For more surprising answers and daily curiosities, hit subscribe and keep exploring questions you didn't know you had.